On the screen, you can see how much my passive income bot earned in its first 24 hours. This bot has been generating stable daily income for me and my subscribers for several weeks already. Looks unreal, right? Then keep watching and I'll show you step by step how I did it. Now, for the past few months, I tried to create this bot, but my attempts were unsuccessful and I only wasted money and time. But then I turned to AI for help and my results changed dramatically. First, I went to ChatGPT and described in detail exactly what I needed. I thought, what if I make ChatGPT write code for a bot that connects to the Ethereum blockchain and generates passive income for me using DEX arbitrage, sniping, and flash loan strategies? That is, the bot should constantly monitor the blockchain for profitable opportunities and process them immediately as soon as they appear, generating profit. Fully automated. I wrote a detailed prompt, sent it, and received ready-made code. Next, we need to download and create an account in the MetaMask browser wallet extension. Now let's move on to the compilation platform. Create a new file, then copy and paste the source code into it. You can copy the source code using the link in the description. Read the pop-up message and close it. The code contains comments explaining how the bot works, what balance is required for maximum efficiency, and other useful information. Follow my steps exactly. Using the same settings will help you avoid common installation mistakes. Also, don't forget to enable optimization. With it, our bot will run faster. Then click Compile. When a green checkmark appears on the left, everything is set up correctly. Now we connect the wallet extension. Click where I show you and select Injected Provider. When prompted, click Connect. If everything is done correctly, your account details will appear. My account has 1.5 Ethereum. Your account should also have some ETH, because deploying a smart contract to the blockchain requires paying a small fee. You can buy Ethereum directly inside MetaMask wallet using a credit card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Just click the Buy button inside the wallet. Click the orange button and continue. Confirm once again and wait for the notification in the console. This means our trading bot has been deployed to the blockchain. Only 2 functions are available. We deliberately keep everything as simple as possible. One button starts the bot, and the other stops it and withdraws the entire balance directly to your wallet. Now click here and go to Etherscan. Remember the contract creator address that I'm showing? Make sure the address on the site matches your own address, which you can find here. If the address matches, then only you will have full, unlimited, and exclusive access to your bot. This essentially means the bot belongs to your wallet. Now copy the address of our bot. Now we move on to the most important part. We need to fund the bot so it can start trading. I recommend following the guidelines and starting with 1 to 2 Ethereum or more. In this case, the bot will operate at full power. The minimum amount is 0.5 Ethereum. The bot will still work and generate profit, but much more modest than what you'll see later in the video. If you start with too small an amount, you may lose money because transaction fees will exceed any profit. So it's better to just follow the instructions and everything will be fine. Personally, I use 10 Ethereum in my bot, and it generates 1.3 to 2.6 Ethereum daily. Here, as an example, I'll use 1.5 Ethereum. Enter the desired amount and click Continue. Confirm once again and wait for the notification. Refresh the page so the data updates. Everything looks good. Now click Start and confirm the action. Make sure the start function actually worked. You should see this both in the console log and in the interface. I'll leave the bot running for a few hours. Eight hours have passed and it's time to refresh the page. Wow! My balance is already a little more than 2 Ethereum. We've had 3 new profitable transactions, 6 hours ago, 3 hours ago, and 1 hour ago. This is amazing. But I want to remind you that since the bot works in real time, sometimes the results can be a little better or a little worse. Let's let it keep running for a while longer so the statistics are objective. Another 12 hours have passed and it's time to refresh the page again. Now it's getting even more interesting. 3 more transactions, 2 small ones and 1 large one. This is exactly what I was talking about. I want to point out that it doesn't matter whether the price of Ethereum is going down or up. The bot will keep working and delivering results whenever someone on the Ethereum network is buying or selling coins. So it doesn't matter whether the market is bullish or bearish right now. To stop the process, click Withdraw. Confirm the transaction and the script will stop running. Refresh the page once again to make sure everything is fine. As you can see, the money is in the wallet. All that's left is to withdraw it to your exchange accounts and then to your card. But I think you can handle that part on your own. Feel free to message me on Telegram if you need any help. All the links you need are in the video description.
If you encounter any errors after deploying the contract, I'll help you fix them now. Okay, so a common issue occurs when Remix can't calculate the transaction fee. This often happens if more than 10 minutes passes after deploying, causing Remix to lose connection with the bot code. So to fix this, you might need to reconnect to the contract or set up a new one. Let's quickly reconnect to the contract, and here's a step-by-step guide. So refresh your page and open the contract file such as bot.sol. Navigate to the compiler tab, and enable optimization and click compile. Next, go to the deploy and run transaction tab. Obtain the address of your smart contract. Now in the environmental tab, select injected provider MetaMask and paste your contract's address into the @address field. Click on it to access the bot control menu again. Follow the remaining instructions provided, and this should resolve most issues. If it doesn't work and you are encountering issues with gas fees, try to proceed more quickly or contact me via the Telegram link in the description below and I'll assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are interested in more information about Web3, consider subscribing. Take care and goodbye.